you can enable markup for your viewpoints. Go to 4D review, enable markup. In markup tools, you can draw line markup, polyline markup, rectangle markup, circle markup, freehand markup, some note markup or arrow markup, double arrow markup, cloud markup, and you can change the color and you can change the thickness of the line. So click on line markup, then you need to save a new viewpoints. Okay, now you can draw a circle also. You can write text also. You can write some note also. Okay, now if you change the camera position, then the viewpoints will disappear. And if you again select the viewpoint and activate it in 3D view, then you can see the markup. In this way you can make viewpoints for your markup.